I had you on dash cam cut
That's
me off.
fine. I'm
Cutting you off? But if you're any kind of pro law enforcement, why would you not let the cops know that you have a weapon on you?
We're good cops. We saw your expired plate. We thought you had guns and drugs in the car or something, man. Come on, dude.
You start with the video and stuff right away. If any other cop, they're just going to cite you. We still have a right to know if you have a loaded gun on you.
Yeah.
Well, actually,
I don't care what the state of Ohio says.
Welcome back to the LackLuster channel. In late February of 2024, a viewer named Ryan found himself driving beside two identical twin police officers, Jack and Joe Moonshower, driving in a Toledo Police Department cruiser. However, the driver appeared to be too preoccupied to drive with consideration for other drivers. After traveling down the same road for about a minute, the officers cut Ryan off when entering his lane. A moment later, they come to a stop at a red light with two other vehicles. The light turns green, but neither of the lead cars in each lane are paying attention and fail to proceed through the intersection. And after about 7 seconds, the vehicle to the right of Ryan honks at the Mercedes in the front of the opposite lane, and the officers start driving. Though it wasn't Ryan that honked, it's believed that the officers thought that it was him, and that was the true reason that they targeted him. But only the twins would know. After completing their turn, the officers hold the lead position for a moment but begin to slow down to get behind Ryan and recklessly cross into his lane. The twins continue to slow down to follow him, and after making their turn, they activate their emergency lights. Ryan immediately pulls into the first driveway, parking in the lot of a medical facility, as the street had no place to pull over without obstructing a lane, and because this happens to be his place of employment.
Anyone in the back? Got your ID on you, man? What? Just stop back there. I don't need you pulling into an apartment for me, okay?
what?
Stop when I tell you to stop.
I was already pulling in here. This is where I work.
Okay,
dude.
cool,
and
man.
I had you on dash cam cut
That's
me
fine.
off.
I'm
Cutting you off?
I came up behind you. Don't tell me I cut you off.
in the back,
I got
dude?
you on camera too.
That's all
Give me
right.
your ID. Yeah, come on, man. Don't give me
I
that,
had you on
dude.
dash cam cut me off.
When did we cut you off, man?
We came from
That's the most
behind.
Had your
ridiculous
down-
thing I
okay,
heard.
pulled up.
Okay, cool. We cut you off. Well, I also saw your expired plate, man. And cutting you off isn't an issue. Okay, man? Yeah.
Okay,
I
cool.
don't like
So
your
give us
attitude
that
in
because you're
general.
not putting it on the car, believe it
I
or
was
not.
going to, bud.
Okay. So why are you giving us a hard time?
Yeah,
Don't say we
Because
cut you off.
cut me off.
Where did we cut you off
On
from?
Heather Downs.
How did we cut you off on Heather Downs?
Do you want me to show you the video, bud?
You don't have it on video. And I don't care if you do, because believe it or not, when we're in a police car and we see someone violating the law, we can pull you over, okay?
How would I violate the law?
You don't have the correct sticker on the back of your car, so we
Correct.
can pull you over for that.
Go ahead and pull me over.
Okay, so why are you giving us a hard time?
Because you cut me off.
We didn't cut you off, but good luck. You can show that to them in court, okay?
Yeah, come on, man. Yeah, I got him. That's
You got
ridiculous.
a driver's license on you? Let's see it.
I already gave it to
Okay,
him.
good. Well then good.
Wow, dude.
I just love how people just love to give attitude right away. Just set us up for a successful day. All you had to do is pull over.
I did pull over.
Okay, but then...
You didn't light me up until after I had my
Hey,
blinker
Jack.
on, dude.
Hey, does he have his gun on him?
Do you have your gun on you?
Yes.
Oh, where's it at?
It's in my appendix.
Yeah, okay, cool. Might want to let us know that too.
I
And
don't
just...
have to now with the new law.
Oh, jeez.
Ryan was pulled over for having expired tags. He was, however, in possession of the tags. He had just not had a moment to clean the adhesive and gunk from previous years to adhere the sticker to a clean surface.
Hey, keep that and show it in court, okay? And I'm sure the judge will love it.
Okay.
Because I could care less about seeing it. Because I didn't cut you off. I don't even know what you mean by I cut you off. We were literally behind you. What do you mean? Explain what you mean how we cut you off.
You came over into my lane. and you pushed me
Okay.
over. That's cutting me
That's
off.
not cutting you off. Cutting you off is pulling out in front of you.
Do you want me to show you the video or not?
No, I don't care about the video.
Okay.
I've told you that multiple times. You don't know what cut off
He's
means.
good on that. I just don't understand his attitude, but he's gonna get lucky today.
Put this on the car, okay? Or you're gonna get pulled over multiple times again.
Got it.
And change the attitude, because I swear, you pull that stuff again, you're lucky that I actually have some reasonable sense, or otherwise you'd be getting cited 100
Yeah, man,
times.
I don't understand what your attitude is, dude. We're looking for bigger things. We're not being douchebags to you, so don't be a douchebag to us sometimes.
So then why were you in that lane and then you got behind me?
Because you're
Because your
expired plate.
plates.
We're good cops. We saw your expired plate. We thought you had guns and drugs in the car or something, man. Come on, dude.
If you recall, Ryan does have a gun in the vehicle, but now, despite the twins becoming so incredibly triggered for being called out for their own bad driving, Ryan attempts to push the pause button and de-escalate, but the twins cannot seem to let the allegation go.
Do you want to? Okay, let's start off on a new.
Yeah, I mean, man, we're just doing our job.
No, because we didn't cut you off.
So how do you know?
Switching lanes does not mean I cut you off.
Yeah.
Are you telling me I'm not allowed to pull over to the right and get behind you?
I mean, cutting off is not an
Heather,
offense.
this is not Heather Downs. Heather Downs is over there.
Yeah.
Do you want to see the video or
No,
not?
Show
I mean,
me the video.
yeah,
Go ahead, because I'm just interested.
I'm not saying I don't believe you, man, but cutting off is not an offense either way. We're not cutting you off because we're cutting you off. We're probably seeing other traffic. You know what I mean, man? Put yourself in our shoes, dude.
Right,
you seem like an alright guy, man.
Ryan now shows the officers his dash cam footage.
I don't think we're jumping over here. Okay.
Yeah, my turn signal's
come
on,
bro.
Just
I'm not cutting you off.
Just because you have your turn signal doesn't mean you have.
Okay, fair, but that was not aggressive
That's
or
not a
anything.
cutoff.
So
Yeah, if I didn't have my turn signal on, potentially, but
Yeah.
it's you do know if you strike me from the rear, it's ACDA. So it doesn't matter if someone turns in front of you, even if I had a turn signal, if you strike them in the back, I don't agree with the law, but that's how it works.
yeah, you gotta have some distance there.
The twins' defense of Ryan's allegations of being cut off is that they had used their turn signal. However, based on ORC 4511.39, a signal of intention to move left shall be given continuously during not less than the last 100 feet traveled. But when referring to the footage, we can see that the officer merged prior to the required 100 feet and only allowed the signal to flash 3 times, deactivating the light prior to crossing into Ryan's lane. Furthermore, the officer claims if Ryan had hit the officer as a result of being cut off, it would have been considered a failure to maintain an assured clear distance ahead, or ACDA. But this is false. An affirmative defense of ACDA includes being cut off, intentionally brake checked, or reversed into. And as we learned earlier in the video, Ohio is one of the many states that does not require a person with a concealed carry permit to disclose to an officer that they are armed. But now the officers claim that they have a right to know, and that they don't care about Ohio law.
You're good, man. Hey, that's a nice video, too. I'll give you credit. But, dude, we're looking for bigger things, man. We're not trying to be douchebags to you at all, man. We're actually pretty chill.
And I'm telling you, you start with the video and stuff right away of any other cop, they're just going to cite you.
Yeah, 100%.
Because I can cite you right now for that. You have to have that on the back of the plate. So if I was you, before you even get out of here, throw that on.
Yeah. And
Or someone else is
This is where I work. And then.
Okay, and I'll give you credit on that. And you didn't stop, though. We don't like guys stopping because when you usually pull in, we get.
Yes.
How many times a day do you think we get this is where I work?
Yes, every
This
single
is an unsafe
traffic. Yeah,
stop.
like,
No,
okay, well, great, but
Yes.
it's never that way.
Yeah.
Okay, but you can't be like that. You have to.
Well, yeah, but we have to at least know who you are first. If you wouldn't give us the attitude from the get-go, I'd be like, okay, maybe you do work here. How am I supposed to know? I don't know where you work.
I didn't give you the attitude from the beginning.
Yes, you did. I would love for you to play it back. I wish I could show you my video, and then it would show that
You're
giving
all
us
right, though.
attitude.
You're all right, dude, man. We appreciate it, man. Like I said, we're looking for bigger things.
Sperry?
Yeah, Sperry, yeah.
Yeah, it's
See,
my-
okay,
it's my
cool.
brother-in-law.
All right, yeah. You
And
know how
I
it
get
goes.
that you know all the laws and stuff, but even if you have a gun on you, I understand the new laws say you don't have to advise. But if you're any kind of pro-law enforcement, why would you not let the cops know you have a weapon on you?
I'm all about rights and stuff.
I get it, but that's just like your safety at the same time. Some cops aren't going to like that. I understand it's in the law, but we still have a right to know if you have
you're
a
not in
loaded
the
gun
wrong.
on you.
Yeah.
Well, actually,
I don't care what the
the
state of Ohio says.
Then that's
Because
not
we
a
have
law.
safeties, okay? Yeah, but what, you imagine us in our shoe?
Yeah.
Like, you know why everyone tells us they have a gun on them? Because they're trying to be nice to the police. They're trying to be, like, respectful. I'm not saying you have to, but, like, that's how I am. Somebody pulls me over, law enforcement, hey, I have a loaded gun in the car.
Dude, you had, I'll watch the video, but you had the attitude as soon as you come up. Why didn't you pull over?
Well, I mean, it did take you a minute.
It took you a hot second.
I mean, we
had the
sirened
blinker.
you.
I had the blinker before you lit me up.
Okay, so no, I wasn't pulling you
So
over
I
for
was
that.
pulling in.
Okay, fair enough. But then you pulled into here. You could stop right there next time. is what I
Bro,
would
you were
do.
rolling for a minute. Like, our lights were on for a good 10, 15 seconds.
Just so you
Usually
know.
that's a pursuit,
Yes,
man. Like, no shit.
People would put
That's
that
the
out as a
only
pursuit
reason.
because that's
Yeah.
what our job sucked, dude. It's
We
Toledo.
thought you
You
were
think
gonna
people
take off
stop
on us,
Like
man.
people constantly keep going.
Yeah, but I'm
How do we know you
so
work
you
here?
just want me to pull in the middle?
Yes, and then if you want to say, hey,
Yeah.
it's okay if I keep going because I work here, I'd be like,
Yeah,
absolutely,
for
pull
sure.
in.
Yeah. And you're a chill dude, man. I appreciate it. That's a nice camera, all that stuff. You're doing everything right, man. You're not doing anything wrong, but you don't got to throw that on right now. But just throw it on sooner rather than later because the next interaction
If
could
you're
be
at
different.
work, fine, but somebody will pull you over again.
Yeah. What do you do for these guys? Oh, nice. Hell yeah. Okay, cool. All
Well,
right, man.
have a
Have a
good
good
one.
day. Appreciate you being chill. And like I said, yeah, my attitude probably wasn't great either, but man, it's Toledo. You should see the shit we see on half the stops we make. You know what I mean? That's all it is. And I'm not ever going to violate anyone's rights or do anything wrong, but at the same time, I got to keep the person in the car safe and myself safe, and that's really what we're trying to do at the end of the day.
So, what was I going to ask you?
Yeah.
So, I forgot. Sorry,
Okay.
man.
You
There was
good.
something about the plate. I can't remember.
But
No,
why
it's
we-
just been cold and crappy. I just haven't had the time to wipe off the plate.
You're fine. And honestly, we don't know until we get it back in our system.
that's
And
what I
by the
was gonna
time
ask.
I made the stop,
That's
I
what
was
I was gonna
able to
ask.
see
Did you
it.
know the
It's
system?
updated in the system. Yep.
Yeah.
So you are technically good. But
Yeah,
we
that's
didn't have time
another
for
reason.
that.
We didn't know who you were at all because you turned in.
Yeah.
So that's what they do to us because they know we don't have time to run them. So we didn't know who you were at all.
Nah, yeah.
I didn't even see who was in the car, and I'm like, oh, this guy's trying to get away from us.
Yeah.
Obviously not the case. You work here, but 9 out of 10 times, that's what
So
they
can
do.
I FOIA the body cams to see that?
Can what?
Can I FOIA the body cams
What do you mean?
so I can get the video for myself?
I mean, I don't know how that works. I think there's like a process and
Yeah,
stuff.
that's what the
Yeah.
FOIA process is.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Like,
for
you
sure.
just-
And technically, yeah, I didn't know who you were until I went back into the car with your ID, and then I saw. But it does say 2025, so you are good, man.
Yeah.
But just get it on at some point. Do it after work. You're parked now, anyways. So thanks for being chill. Like I said, I appreciate you having the back and forth. It's good dealing with guys like yourself every now and then, which
And
I
I'm glad
appreciate.
you know you're right. It's like as soon as you said
Yes.
that, I was like, ah, shit. Because a lot of people don't know. I'm not saying like, I don't want people not to know their rights, but a lot of people just don't know them.
Yeah.
And then if I ask that question, like, you know what I mean? A lot of them are gullible, and they're like, yeah, I have it on me, and they, you know what I mean? But at least you were like, I don't have to tell you, which you don't have to, which blows my mind. Because again, our job sucks already sometimes, and the fact that we can get up to a person, we don't know if they have a loaded pistol on them.
Yeah.
Not saying you're going to use it, but that doesn't mean somebody else won't.
Yeah.
So,
All right.
have a good one,
All
man.
right, yeah. Thanks again, man. Have a good one. All right. Yep.
After the incident, Ryan went to the local police department to speak to Lieutenant Hoover to try to FOIA request the footage and to file a complaint. While there, he was informed that he was at the wrong location to submit a request. And when the lieutenant asked Ryan why he wished to obtain the videos, he began speaking in a condescending tone. So Ryan began filming halfway through the conversation.
Nice. That's impressive.
Are you seriously gonna act like that?
Yes, sir, with a smile.
Why?
It's still professional because I'm smiling.
Wow.
Lieutenant Hoover, you can
Okay.
go to the internal affairs section.
Okay.
You can do that.
All right. Okay.
And they didn't write you any tickets, even though you had improper display of plates. Okay.
All right. Thanks.
Yeah.
Overall, the twins acted in an arrogant and unprofessional manner that did nothing to help the image of their department, and Lieutenant Hoover only added to it with his inappropriate conduct. In no other occupation could you get away with treating your customers this way, but police officers don't care because there's no competition and no accountability. But the most hilarious thing about this encounter is how the twins get so defensive when they're informed of their own transgressions, but get triggered when the drivers that they pull over have a similar response. The difference is that they will face no consequences, but almost everybody that they pull over will. The hypocrisy and the lack of self-awareness is truly exhausting. But instead of reflecting on this information and striving to do better, they'll just call me, and all of you, cop haters, and continue being spoiled brats. So until next time, which will be soon, check out another episode linked on screen.